Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial in terms of how to use the Cameo feature that is inside your PowerPoint for you to record this talking head along with your PowerPoint presentation. Now in this mode, you will still be able to underline, highlight, what have you, and you'll be in sync with the video that you're recording. So how do you do that? So the first step is actually to open any PowerPoint file and then we look out for record and Cameo. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that now. Now when you click Cameo, what you'll see is this here, and you see all these different frames here. Let me explain. So first, let's turn on the camera. You can choose different camera. So I'm going to just choose my native camera here. So I think you can see me now. What you can do is you can choose to change the frame. Okay, so there's a square one, and you can reposition it to anywhere you like. You can even have a hexagon one, but I prefer a round one. And if you would like a border, you can always include a border here. And there are some effects which I will usually don't bother. Okay, so once you are ready with the placement of your talking head, then go ahead and click the record button. So when you hit the record, you'll get to see this view. So in this view, there are a few functions. It's not recording yet, but what you will see here is that you can choose different cameras to use, or you can blur your background. Okay, you can also choose the mic that you are using. In this case, I'm using my AirPods. And you can choose different views. So this is the presenter view, but you can also use the teleprompter view. Let me go back. Yes, so it's cleaner. If you have notes, then you can see at the top over here. If you need to write down any, scribbles, you can use the features at the bottom. Now, once you're ready, go ahead and hit the record. Change this to a laser. Okay, go ahead and hit the record at the top. So you see this 3, 2, 1 button. Hi everyone, so this is what it looks like when you've recorded your Cameo. Let's see. Hi everyone, so this is what it looks like when you've recorded your Cameo. Okay, great. So if you like how it looks, you can exit the record feature. And over here, you can preview what it looks like for yourself. Hi everyone, so this is what it looks like when you've recorded your Cameo. You can also shift this around. If you don't like how you look, then you can always reset or clear the recording and re-record just one slide. Okay, so it may be easier if you record just one part slide by slide, and you can choose to edit a particular slide if it's not to your liking. Yes, how do we export this? Once you're done with recording all the slides, then what you can do is you can export this as a movie or an MP4. So let's export it as MP4. So sometimes there's no set timing for a slide. It will just auto set a number of seconds. So let's go ahead and export this. Okay, so here you go. You will see the presentation that I just created here. And let's play to see what it looks like. So remember that at the front, I did not record any Cameo, and hence it will use the default 5 seconds loop for it to run to the next slide. Hi everyone, so this is what it looks like when you've recorded your Cameo. Yep, then after that, it just continues looping since I did not record any Cameo. Just to recap the steps, first, you have to open any PowerPoint file and look for record and camera preview. Okay, turn it on. Then you can select your preferred frame, be it a rectangle, circle, or hexagon. Then you can move this around and resize it to your liking, right? Once you're ready, hit the record button and you will be able to see yourself in either the presenter or the teleprompter mode. After you're done with the recording, you can export it as a MP4. And that's all. Thank you.